Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Nadir Akra, and today, I'm thrilled to unveil something truly exciting. Get ready to dive into the world of operating systems as we explore the latest editions of Windows. From enhanced features to sleek designs, we're about to embark on a journey through the evolution of Windows like never before. So, sit back, relax, and let's discover together what these new versions have in store for us. Without further ado, let's roll that intro.
Hi everyone, we'll be taking a look at Ultimate 11 Cobalt V2, an optimized build of Windows 11 23H2 Moment 5, designed primarily to improve performance, responsiveness, privacy, control, and accessibility. This build of Windows features optional Defender, optional Edge and widgets, optional automatic updates, and optional Microsoft Store to provide you with a clean, bloat-free experience that you can easily tailor to your own specific needs. A new feature in this build compared to our first Ultimate 11 Cobalt release is a beautiful semi-transparent look to File Explorer that you can easily enable or disable by clicking the shortcuts available in the Start menu's X-Lite Tools folder. Hey guys, welcome to Micro 10, an extremely debloated build of Windows 10 that's optimized for performance and control. It takes up only 2.5 gigabytes of storage space, is based on Windows 10 version 22H2, and uses very little resources. It has full support for desktop, laptop, and tablet PCs, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and touchscreen support. It also supports additional languages, the Microsoft Store, UWP apps, and Xbox Gaming. It comes with Net Framework 3.5 pre-installed and is designed to run as light and responsive as possible, and provides you with enhanced privacy, performance, and control. Now we'll explore this remarkably tiny and efficient build of Windows 10 22H2.
Thank you for joining me on this journey through the evolution of Windows, from the timeless Windows 10 to the groundbreaking Windows 11. Remember, whether you're optimizing productivity, diving into immersive gaming experiences, or safeguarding your digital world, Windows continues to be the ultimate platform for innovation and empowerment. Stay tuned for more tech insights and updates, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating. See you in the next video.